Wait. Okay. Wait. Right. Yes. Sounds like generic elevators. Good boy. Good job. Good boy. Good boy. All right, come on. Wait, I think I've seen these before. Yes, I have. Prospect Elevators, Christopher filmed these a while ago now, and I totally forgot about this video. And I was like, what type of elevators are in here? And when I finally stumbled upon this video again, I was like, oh, that's what's in here. Well, here we are. Link in the description. These are some elevators here at this office building off Roosevelt Road here in Glen, Ellyn, Illinois, at 1200 Roosevelt Road in Glen, Ellyn. I really hope these aren't locked. Okay. I can feel the cool air from the elevator shaft as the car's moving. Feels good. Okay, good. Nobody's at the desk. Hey guys. This is nice and bright. Good boy. Good job. Hi. Forward. Wait. Heel. Good boy. Ooh. That was not good. That was not safe at all. Not in the doorway, so it didn't detect me. Or us. Yeah, I can feel the wind from the shaft right here. Glad no one's at the desk. Pretty much the same cab as the other elevator. Stop at 3. Please tip. Damn it, we didn't stop. Heel. I'll just let this one go up and then I'll do my short. This is a good enough official video. Heel. Yes. Good boy. Good job. Good boy. Good boy. Yes. Good boy. Good job. Good boy.